at vår kompressor, når det gjelder hydrogen, første trinn, verdens beste.
I'm Fredrik with Otechos. Today we're testing one of our new machines. It's a compressor. It's a hydrogen compressor. So because it's the first run with hydrogen, we're doing this outside. As you all know, hydrogen is a very explosive gas. So for safety reasons, we're doing this outside today and rigging this test loop here to do the test.
Veldig bra.
So now we just completed the testing. Very good, no incidents, no failures, and very good performance results. So this goes to prove that we are very efficient when it comes to energy consumption. About a third of existing technology out there. And this test was done 100% remotely controlled, for safety of course, as this is hydrogen gas and it's the way it should be done. So we're very happy with this test, and it proves the very good performance of our compressor. Thank you.
Testresultatene helt topp. De som forventet og kanskje hakket bedre. Så vi veldig godt fornøyd med det vi har gjort I dag. Nå kan vi stå rakrygget og si at vår kompressor, når det gjelder hydrogen, første trinn, verdens beste. Ingen diskusjon. Det har vi dokumentasjon på. Ok, takk.